Does a thicker wallet equate to a fuller heart? This is a question that has left many scratching their heads, pondering and wondering about the true essence of happiness. Can the shimmer of golden coins, the allure of crisp banknotes, truly illuminate our journey towards joy and contentment? Some argue that wealth is but a quicksilver fantasy, a mirage that seems gratifying yet evaporates the moment we reach out to grasp it. The notion that money is the root of all evil is an age-old belief, a concept embraced by many. They deem it a corrupting force, a poison that taints the purity of the human spirit. A force so potent that it can lead even the most virtuous astray, turning love into greed, friendships into rivalries, and peace into turmoil. In their eyes, money is not just a problem, but the birthplace of numerous other issues, from moral degradation to a sense of unfulfillment. It's seen as a whirlpool that sucks people in, promising happiness, but delivering nothing but despair. Yet, on the polar opposite of this perspective, some see money as a beacon of hope, a key that unlocks the door to a haven of bliss. They argue that money, in its true essence, is not evil, but a tool. A tool that, when used, can make life not just bearable, but enjoyable. They firmly believe that with just a tad bit more wealth, life would transform into a veritable paradise, a blissful bed of roses. Their conviction lies in the idea that money can indeed buy happiness, that it is the ultimate problem solver, capable of converting dreams into reality. So, does a thicker wallet equate to a fuller heart? Can the gleam of gold truly light up the path to happiness, or will it lead us down a path we never wished to tread? It's a question that continues to challenge us, leaving us to grapple with its paradoxical nature. On one extreme, there's the belief that money is the root of all evil, a corrupting force that brings more problems than solutions. On the other end of the spectrum, there are those who believe that money is the ultimate problem solver, that with just a little more of it, life would be a blissful bed of roses. Wow. While it's true that money can certainly solve many problems, it's far from a universal panacea. It offers no magical solutions and doesn't provide an impenetrable barrier shielding you from the world's harsh realities. Regardless of the amount of wealth you accumulate, you're still a mortal being, with an expiry date and the same physical form. Humanity isn't altered by your bank balance, and your susceptibility to life's ups and downs remains intact. As a wealthy individual, you might have the means to afford more comfort, convenience, and security than others. You could potentially access to better healthcare, education, and opportunities. Your standard of living could be elevated, immersing you in a world of luxury and indulgence thanks to money. But beneath all these layers of opulence, you're still just another being journeying through this world in a cozier carriage, but with your own unique obstacles and challenges. You may have heard the saying, more money, more problems, which serves as a solemn reminder that wealth is not a direct passage to a problem-free life. On the contrary, you might find yourself dealing with an entirely new set of issues that accompany wealth. Financial concern replaces financial need. The stress of managing wealth, anxiety of maintaining it, and the constant pressure to not lose it could become overbearing. Don't expect your problems to vanish with the accumulation of money. In fact, you find yourself dealing with more issues than before. Money doesn't eradicate problems. It isn't a magic wand that you can wave to make your troubles disappear. What money does is to provide you with the resources to tackle these problems. It's a facilitator, an enabler, an instrument that can be used to navigate the tumultuous seas of life's challenges. Managing money is a complex task, requiring a unique blend of skill, the right knowledge, a stable temperament, and strong emotional intelligence. It demands a balance between logic and emotions, the ability to make sound financial decisions that aren't driven by impulsive desires or momentary whims. It requires maturity, responsibility, and a clear understanding of your financial goals and strategies to achieve them. It's also essential to keep abreast with the market trends and the best current investment options. Understanding the intricacies of financial markets, keeping an eye on emerging investment opportunities, and being wise about where and when to invest your money is crucial. The world of finance is dynamic and ever-changing, and to make the most of wealth you need to be informed, vigilant, and proactive. However, always remember that money is not the key to happiness. It can buy comfort, but not contentment. It can buy time, but not immortality. It can buy possessions, but not peace. Staying informed about the market and the best current investment options is also crucial. Having money isn't easy, and it won't be as miraculous as you might imagine. The concept of wealth is often misunderstood, and its impact on your life isn't as straightforward as you might believe. Will it help in solving many of your troubles? Yes, it will. But does it mean that it will magically erase all your problems? No, it doesn't. The truth is, while money offers you the tools and resources to tackle your issues, it isn't an automatic problem solver. You'll be to wield these resources, to utilize them in your favor. You're at the helm of your ship, steering it towards resolution and peace with the wind of wealth at your back. Money, in essence, is the canvas. You are the artist who brings color and life to it. It's magic wand, but a powerful tool that you must learn how to use correctly, and that's the beauty of it. Money offers you the chance to take control, to be the one driving the change. It empowers you to make decisions and to see them through. It gives you the opportunity to develop solutions, to carve your path, to create your destiny. And when you're one doing so, when it's your sweat and blood shaping your world, the victory tastes 10 times sweeter. There's a unique satisfaction in knowing that you didn't rely on a magic trick performed by your bank balance, but it was your resilience, creativity, and tenacity that saw you through. It's a testament to your ability to think, to overcome, to grow, rather than a magic trick performed by your bank balance. So, stop seeing money as an angel or a demon. It's not some mystical entity with the power to dictate your life's trajectory. Think of it as a tool or resource that can be used to facilitate your journey towards achieving your ambitions. Money doesn't hold the ability to bestow salvation or lead to ruination. It's a tutor, teaching us about the value of hard work and the importance of budgeting. As Ronald Reagan insightfully pointed out, it can afford us the means to create profound, quality memories, but it doesn't hold the absolute power to promise or procure contentment or joy. Money is not the end, but merely the means. It doesn't inherently possess the power to make us happy or miserable. It's our choices, our actions with the money we have that shapes our happiness. Ultimately, it's what you do with your money, not the money itself, that determines your happiness. To summarize, the perspectives on money vary greatly. Some individuals regard it as an element that breeds dishonesty and corruption, while others perceive it as a panacea for all problems. However, both views tend to miss its true essence. Money, in the grand scheme of things, is neither good nor bad. It's an instrument, an instructor, and a valuable resource. It has the potential to resolve difficulties, but it's not a magic wand that can make problems disappear overnight. Handling money necessitates a certain level of expertise and understanding. It certainly doesn't guarantee a life filled with joy and contentment. Money in itself is neutral. It takes on the value and significance we attach to it. Ultimately, it's not about how much wealth you accumulate, but how you use what you have. Remember, it's your actions, not your assets, that truly matter.